Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the province of Noord-Brabant. This is the way us Dutchies say Noord-Brabant. Noord-Brabant. There is a very slight emphasis on the first syllable of the second word. Noord-BRA-bant. Noord-BRA-bant. All the letters will be pronounced, and if you can roll that R, the R, just a little bit, that would be great. Noord-Brabant. I live in the province of Noord-Brabant. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!